Good morning, fourth graders. Hope you guys are doing well. Happy Earth Day. Okay, so we're going to finish up our step 2 of our assignment for the week. So your background paper should be dry if you chose to do the color in the back. And then I have the black paper and I have the white paper because I want to show you guys just a few ways to draw a cactus. Okay, so that's the tree, that's the plant that I'm going to be making. So you guys, I believe I gave you the option of doing just like a regular, tree that you see outside, like in your neighborhood, or excuse me, you can do like a flower. You can do I think I mentioned like a water bottle, something in relation to Earth Day, okay? Okay, so let me show you what you can do. Okay, so when you're drawing a cactus, if you want to draw a cactus, you can start, I'm hoping you guys can see. I'm going to try and draw upside down, so something like that. Okay, and then you may need an eraser for this one. And then no. Okay, this isn't as easy as it looks. Okay, let's not do that. Okay. Okay, a lot skinnier. Okay, then you can do that, and then maybe one up here. That, and then you would erase these lines here. Okay, so that's like one, and then to make like details, you can put like lines inside, just like little faint lines inside. And like little crosses or little X's, so it looks like thorns, just like all over. But in this case, how we're trying to make almost like a silhouette, you're not going to do any of this, but I will show you guys another way to show like the thorns, okay? So that's one form of a cactus, and then you can do another one that kind of looks like that. And then you would add just like different like circle shapes. And then this one has like a bunch of almost like looks like V's all over. So that's like another form. Or you can do one that looks like almost the same beginning shape. It has lines like that. And then this one has like the X's on those lines. Like that. And you can add like a little flower on the top. Okay, and then the last one would be one that looks like that. And this one has like the same kind of lines in it. And this one doesn't have any thorns, but it has a little flower at the top like that. Okay, so I'm probably going to focus on this one here and maybe like this one. Okay, so I'm going to be creating this one and this one on the black paper. Okay, so like that. And then I want my cactuses to go this way. So I'm going to make them going this way. So portrait style. Okay, so maybe you paint it this way, like lines going that way, and then you can put your plants here, or maybe you just have a big tree there, or maybe you could put a big tree there. However you want to do it should be fine. Okay. All right. So I'm going to start drawing my cactus on here. Okay. Okay. So let's go ahead and draw this way. And it's going to be pretty big. Okay. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see that outline there, but I'm going to go ahead and cut that out. I'm actually going to cut across because I want to save the extra paper there. I'm going to do the same. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and cut my cactus out. Mm-hmm. Okay, so I have one cactus there. I don't know why I have a pencil mark there. I'm going to go ahead and erase that. I always like to turn it around. So if I drew on this side, I always like to paste down on this side. So I always turn it around so I don't have to erase like those pencil lines that are still there, just so it's nice and clean. Okay, so I have one here, and I'm going to go ahead and make another one. Maybe I'll make the bigger cactus that's more flat. The only thing with the bigger one is that you can't see, you can't see all the details. So let's see what I'm going to do. I'm going to make them smaller. I'm going to make two like next to each other. I'm going to cut those out. And I'll show you guys right now as soon as I'm done cutting what I just did here. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see, but I drew the little flowers, but it was hard to cut them individually around. So I just made like 3 little shapes there. So it kind of looks like that, okay? And I don't know what's going on here, but I have pencil lines. I must have drew something and never cut it out. So just erasing the pencil lines. Okay, so something like that, and put that to the side. Okay, then with this paper right here, I'm going to make like a smaller cactus. Okay, I'm going to cut that out. Smaller one there. Okay, and then we have a little bit more paper. Let's see. Okay, you know what? With this one, I'm going to make that one there. Okay. Why not? Like that. I'm going to go ahead and cut that out. And again, you guys don't have to do a cactus. You guys can do whatever you want, okay? But keeping the Earth Day theme, you know? Have fun with it. I think cactuses are so pretty. Okay. Erase all that. What is going on? I think it'd be easier just to erase this side. No, not quite. I think I drew a big cactus last time and I tried to show you guys. I don't know what's going on. Just keep all my papers together. I didn't grab a new black paper. Alrighty, so now I'm going to get all my papers together. Okay, my black paper together. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and start gluing. If you guys want to use a glue stick or just the white Elmer's glue, it's up to you. I'm going to use this one just because it stays a little better, like when you have like paint. Some kind of paint on there. All right, so let's see how I'm going to assemble everything. I'm going to do a little bit of overlapping as well. Maybe like that. And then this one, maybe I can put it like in the background like that. Okay? All right, I'm gonna turn this around so I can get a better view. Move it up so I know where I'm gonna put them. All right, so this guy's going in the middle. And if you're using the Elmer's glue, you don't need a lot, you know, just a little bit. This stuff goes a long way, so you don't need to overdo it with that glue. I'm actually going to put it down a little bit and I'll cut it. Okay, I'm going to put this guy down here. Down a little bit. Overlapping. This guy, I'm going to put him in the background over here. Maybe I can put him over here. And playing with it. Okay. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, and then this one's going to go right here. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to turn them around like that. So I'm going to cut off that paper there that I can see. Very carefully. Okay. Okay, so now I have a little bit of black, or I can see the paint there, and I want to cover that up just a little bit, okay? So I'm going to just make like a, maybe it can look like a little rock or something. I'm just going to put it there like that, okay? So just a shape like that, just to cover, so it can all be black at the bottom. Something like that. Okay, and then maybe a little one right there. Tiny baby one right there. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, perfect. Alright, and we are done working with our positive and negative space and a little bit of the silhouette. So just remember, positive space refers to the main focus of the picture, which is your cactuses, and then the negative space refers to the background. Okay? Alright guys, I will talk to you guys later. I'll send pictures, and have a great day. And if you guys want to sign your work somewhere, go for it. I think I will. And I'm going to sign it right here. Whoops. Send me pictures. I'd love to see your guys' faces. All right. Bye for now.